Hello everybody, it's time for my giveaway. Here's the list of, do the left list first, that's my cooking buddies. Everybody that's on the list. 26 people there. Got a random generator up there. We're going to click it. Number 3, Christy's Cooking Channel. Now Christy, you told me if you won it, to give it to somebody else on the cooking channel. So since you won, I'm going to let you pick who I send it to. And then make sure I get their address. Somehow, we'll put it on the cooking Facebook channel or whatever so that they can PM me their address. So whoever you want to give that to, the Kuma knife, right there, still in the package. I'll send that to whoever you want me to send it to. Just make sure I have their address. Now we're going to do the bushcraft buddies. And we're giving away the stove. And we're going to do the number generator again. We have 26 people there. Number 6, Jason Williams. Jason, I think I got your address. There it is right there, Jason Williams. And Chrissy's Cooking Channel, you can see is number 3. So, Jason, I think I got your address. But if I don't, go ahead and PM me your address. And so I can get this out to you guys. Chrissy, make sure you send me an address and a name of somebody you want it to go to. And I will make sure they know that you got it. Thanks everybody for the new subscribers. I would like to thank all my new subscribers. Plan on having some new videos coming out pretty soon. As soon as it warms up a little bit and I get past this sickness, I plan on getting out in the woods and doing some more bushcraft stuff. Plan on doing a lot more cooking stuff too. So look forward to everybody watching my videos. God bless. Have a great night.